Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to look into swapping our Pi to Zora token on the Base network. To do this, you first navigate to your Pi browser. Once the browser is successfully loaded, click on the drop-down icon at the top to expose the URL. And once this is exposed, clear out the URL there and input piswaps.com. And once you get to this web app on the Pi browser, click on Get Started. Now click on P2P. Authenticate your wallet because you're required to at this stage. Give it a few seconds for your wallet to be authenticated. Now, as you can see, I'm logged in. The next thing to do is to change this BTC token here to our Zora token. Next thing, search, select Zora. Once Zora is selected, provide the quantity of Pi that you want to swap. For this, I'll be swapping 500 Pi. This will result to about 2,949 Zora tokens. Click on the swap tokens, allow this to process for a few seconds. As you can see, we've successfully swapped our Pi token to Zora. Now the next step will be to transfer our Zora token to our Trust wallet. To do this, you click on the send, and once you get there, click on the token selection and then select your Zora token. Now once the Zora token has been selected, go to, as you can see, our base network is already selected. Next thing to do is to go to your Trust wallet and copy your Zora token address. Now, as you've gotten here, click on the search icon at the top and search for Zora. As you can see, I've seen Zora here at the top, base. Select it. Now at this spot, click on the receive and then copy the address. Go back to your Pi browser, paste in the address that was copied. Now, after pasting this, provide the quantity of Zora token that you want to send out. And for this, I'll be sending out the entire thing. So I'll click on max token, and then I can provide a memo here. For this, I would say pi to um, pi to Zora. Sorry, just a few seconds. Pi to Zora bridge swap. You can leave this blank or put in whatever you want to put in there. It doesn't really matter. Anything you put there doesn't really affect the transaction or make the transaction feel better in some way. So the next thing to do would be to click the transfer button. This will take some seconds to process. Just allow it. Give it a few seconds. As you can see, we have successfully swapped. Now we'll navigate to our Trust wallet and wait it out. Let's see if our Zora token has been transferred to our wallet. Um, it has not reflected yet. Just hold on. Usually, this is a fast transaction. Just give it a few seconds. I believe this should be processed anytime soon. And as you can see, we have successfully received our Zora token. It is shown at the top here and it is reflected. So guys, if this video has been helpful, please do not fail to subscribe. Click on the like button. Also turn on the notification button to get informed every time we release a new video. And until next time, stay safe.